Welcome to the first video in the Dataverse plugin series. The plugin is fully open source, MIT licensed, with 6 skills bundled in. And here's the big news. It's now officially on the Claude plugins marketplace. Let's search for it. There's our plugin. Now let's see it in action. First, let's navigate to a clean Workspace folder. Then we'll launch Claude code from the command prompt. Let's first check if any plugins are installed. Clean slate. No plugins. Now let's search for the Dataverse plugin. We'll discover it directly in the Claude official marketplace. Let's install it in one click. Once installed, let's reload plugins and confirm it shows up under the installed directory. Dataverse plugin is installed. Finally, let's list skills to confirm all 6 Dataverse skills are available: Connect, Data, Metadata, Overview, Query, and Solution. Now, the magic moment. One sentence. Connect to my Dataverse environment. The plugin loads the Connect skill and begins. First, the plugin checks every prerequisite in parallel: Python, Git, PAC CLI, .NET SDK, and Azure CLI. If anything is missing, our plugin will install it. In my case, PAC CLI and Python SDK package were not installed. The plugin creates a systematic plan to install the PAC CLI, then Python SDK package, followed by environment discovery. To install PAC CLI, the plugin tried the .NET tool install approach first. When that failed, it automatically switched to win-get. After installation, the plugin found that PAC CLI was not in path, so it adds PAC CLI to my shell path permanently. Claude code asks before touching my shell config. One click to approve, and PAC CLI is available in every future terminal. Finally, it ran pip install for the Python SDK and its dependencies. Next, authentication. The plugin ran PAC auth list to check for existing profiles. I had several, but none matched the environment I wanted to use. The plugin asks what I want to do. I paste in my target environment URL and ask it to connect. The plugin takes it from there. It runs PAC auth create to set up a new authentication profile for this environment. This command talks to Microsoft Entra to sign me in and cache a token for future sessions. In a moment, a browser window will open for interactive sign-in. No client secrets, no credentials and config files. Standard enterprise SSO works out of the box. The plugin runs PAC org who to confirm the connection and extract the tenant ID. The tenant ID goes into a file called .env. This is the environment config file for the workspace. It stores your Dataverse URL, tenant ID, and MCP client ID in one place, so every script in the project reads from a single source of truth, and it's automatically added to .git ignore. Tenant ID captured. Next, the plugin scaffolds the workspace. It creates 3 project directories, scripts, solutions, and plugins, and copies in 2 helper scripts. Claude code asks before modifying the workspace. I approved it. Here's .env, Dataverse URL, tenant ID, and MCP client ID in one place, and .gitignore already excludes it. Now the plugin verifies the connection. It runs PAC org who and the Python auth script to confirm both the PAC CLI and the Python SDK can talk to Dataverse. Both verifications passed. PAC CLI and Python SDK are both connected. Now for the main event, configuring the MCP server. This is the bridge that lets the agent talk to Dataverse directly, without writing scripts. The plugin runs Claude MCP add. This registers the Dataverse MCP server in a .mcp.json file scoped to this workspace. Before MCP can talk to Dataverse, 2 one-time security settings are needed. The MCP server shows as connected. Now the plugin runs the MCP client script. It checks the environment's allowed list and enables the Claude Code client automatically. That handles one of the 2 security controls. A browser window opens. This is the MCP proxy authenticating for the first time. The proxy handles the token exchange between Claude Code and Dataverse. One-time sign-in. The token is cached for future sessions. The other, tenant admin consent, must be granted once by a tenant admin. I pre-granted that before recording. The plugin validates the setup. You'll notice a red 403 on the preview endpoint. That's expected. It's an optional feature, not enabled on this environment. The GA endpoint passed, so we're good. And that's the moment. Setup complete. The plugin summarizes everything it did. PAC CLI installed and on path, Python SDK ready, Workspace scaffolded, MCP server registered and connected, client ID added to the allow list. One last step. Restart Claude Code to load the MCP tools. Now let me ask a real question. What tables are in this environment? Dataverse plugin routes this to the Dataverse MCP server and shows which tool it's calling. List_tables. Approved, and the tool runs. Look at this. Real data from my Dataverse environment. 1,000 tables, not just a success message. 1 install, 1 prompt. Fully connected. Next time, we'll build a complete application from a single prompt. Stay tuned.